Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for being on Electreca. I really appreciate this. Now, this is a set of screwdrivers that I thought I could do, show you such that if you really need something like this, you can, get yourself some. Now, they are really durable. They come in a protective case. So, it's a set where you have some, stars, star, flat, and you have quite some different sizes of stars and flat majorly. And then you have also this type here. If you have this type of screws, it can also be, helpful. Okay. Now, let's have them out here. So, this is what you get, and then you have a handle where you grip. It's really firm, solid, so it can really work well. So it has a knob here. This is something that you just slide in here like this. Okay, and you just have to release it like this. It locks. Okay, and you can very easy, very durable. Now it can, withstand up to 1000 volts AC, which is quite, huge. So you can really use this thing almost everywhere. Okay. So instead of using our tradition, we have these. So pretty sure still some electrician out there, you still use this, which is because I've held this one for really quite some time. It's really durable, but if you're going to, to use it in electrical circuits, then it's not really recommended because it's not insulated. You can easily, short circuit. Same as these. They help, but they are not really recommended. Okay, so if you need to upgrade, you can get something like this. These are really handy, and they are nice. They feel good in the hand. You can easily screw. Okay. The edges are still sharp. So they are pretty cool. All right. Now you really tell me what you think about these screwdrivers. You can, reach me, just write in the comment section and tell me what you think. Are they durable? Are they good? What are you using out there? Okay. But it's something that I also would recommend, especially when you're working on live wires. Okay. Also, live wires, live circuits, it can really protect you because you see that, for example, if this screwdriver enters here, you can really see that most of the bigger outer part will be insulated. Okay, so it's not easy to short circuit. Okay, it's not really easy to short circuit. Okay, so that's it. They are even the smallest one. Or sometimes you could use like a phase tester. So you see this is at the same size as a phase tester, and sometimes these phase testers are not that really strong, okay, but people pretty use them quite often, so you can easily use this size here, okay, and it is even more stronger than, you know, this, okay. All right, so I really thank you very much for watching these videos. I feel super excited just giving you videos like this, showing you some tools that I use right here. So if you're out there at home, you just want to have you know, tools at home, so these are some kind of things that you can have. Now if you can't get this around you, probably you can try AliExpress, because mostly you can, you know, find, you know, most stuff on that site. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm out.